job, my dear.
How insane is that?
It's wild.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh, is that my car?
Where?
Down there. Oh, it should be. It should be down one of them.
Oh my gosh. But that water's cold, right?
Yeah, it's real cold. I'm going to go swimming.
I mean, I brought my suit.
Because, like, that's a cool beach to go to.
Wow, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's so crazy. Wow, we're literally just being like
We're not doing it. I haven't
transported.
done anything since we launched.
Wow.
I think I did this twice.
Wow. I can't believe this whole paragliding thing. Like, this is kind of like
Oh,
magic.
there's my car. In the cloud.
Oh, there, yeah.
It's very magic. Like, this I can't dream. I can't dream of.
Oh, those cliffs are, it's like plateau cliff. Water.
And then see
Really
how
cool
like,
water.
People are camping down there.
Oh, yeah.
But then
Oh my god! Wow, Mike. Oh my god, we're over the wall! It's so cool. Like, look at all those crazy patterns. Oh my goodness. It's like a painting. Wow, it feels so weird being over the water. We're just like going so slowly. This is such an interesting. Ah! I don't know about this. This is like the most incredible thing. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. But can I get a phone? And all back there is wild. Oh my god.
that's why I said we could make the beach over here.
Wow. I just like.
So we're gonna land in the landing zone. We'll go back to the car.